Hi, I'm Anil Kumar. Today we are going to edit gems. About gems, we can download image like this. So just download this image and open in the Photoshop. So we will start. So what are the most important things in this editing of jewelry? That first thing will isolate these gems from the background, and then we'll just make them more cleaner and more sharper, so that will correct some colors also. So I'll just tell you how to edit colors or sharpness or something, or maybe the facets of the gems or diamonds. So we'll start. Just make a clipping path of your these stones, and then okay. So after making the clipping paths of all these gems, press Ctrl Enter, Ctrl J, and now these all the stones are separated from the background. Now we'll add up a new layer, and we can now replace it with the texture or any color or any image you like. Like suppose you want to put this color or any color behind the gems, you can do that. Just select a foreground color, select paint bucket, and you can drop this color, or we can make it white also. Press Shift F5, enter, and we get the white color. So first thing is the isolate this from the background, and now what we can do that we can create an outline of this gem also. Suppose it is not coming here, so it is losing the shape. So what we can do that, Control Enter, and control and touch this icon, and then create a new layer above this. Go to edit, stroke, and now replace it with any color. Maybe you can take a black color also or white color also, but here because we have the white background, we take the black color, and the stroke is 1 pixel, just light and control D. Now we get the outline. So we can reduce this outline opacity like this. So now we have little bit a shape, getting the edges of the, we can merge it with the gem layer. Now, what are the important things in the gems is that the clarity, and it should look very finished. So we don't find any scratch mark or dust mark. If is there any dust scratch marks, you can always remove like this from here with the help of this spot healing brush. So we can do that. Next thing is that we can make it more clearer. So first thing is that these gems are not sharp enough. So we'll go to the filter, sharpen, unsharp mask, and now we'll sharpen these diamonds. So when you sharpen these gemstones start shining. This is the one thing. Next thing, if you want to change the color of these stones, you can select any stone and you can press Ctrl B, and now you can change the color of your stones. So you can do that like that way. You can change the colors. More yellow you want, you can do more yellow, or remove color or make it little warmer. You can do that, but it is a yellow, so leave it like this. Then here this is not sharp enough, so we'll select it and sharpen more. But then it has too many grains also, so we'll not sharp too much, just little bit. Okay, so like this you can change colors or you can make them sharp. Now another thing is that the clarity. Like here you don't find any clarity here, so what you can do it artificially. You can make a table here, or you can make any facets. Like here you select any facet, and now you can press Ctrl Enter, create a new layer above that, and now select this brightness, and now you can make this kind of facet, or you can select or make it brighter. So you can make different facets and different color tones to make it like this shiny, and you don't have to paint. In fact, you just have to make lighter or darker, just selecting here like here, and you can make like this each facet, and Control L, little bit brighter. So this will start giving some kind of shape. So it will not look flat. So it should look 3D kind of thing, that it is raised or something. Okay, so that way we just like edit gems. Now you can put any shadow behind that. So what you can do that, you can select, go to white color, create new layer, and then select, make it a black color here in foreground, and just drop here. So you get the black color here. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, diffuse it, and now reduce the opacity. Switch on the gems layer, and now select this layer 4, and you can bring it down like this, and you can increase a little bit opacity. So like this you can create the shadows. Okay, so this way we edit gems. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.